packaging is simple and practical rather than premium, which suits this type of accessory well. Inside, the aluminum utility frame and silicone lens cover are securely protected. Installation is quick and straightforward, while the first hands-on impression immediately highlights the cage's lightweight yet solid construction. The machining quality feels impressively precise, with accurate frame alignment and a secure snap lock mechanism that gives the Insta360 X5 a stable, confidence-inspiring fit. The included silicone lens cap also proves genuinely useful, offering proper spacing to help protect the exposed 360 lenses from scratches during transport. From a build quality perspective, the metal cage leaves a very strong impression. The high-strength aluminum alloy construction feels rigid and durable without making the Insta360 X5 overly heavy or awkward during extended handheld shooting. The integrated silicone padding also adds useful vibration dampening and extra protection against minor impacts, while the smooth machining and clean threading give the entire frame a refined, well-finished feel. In terms of design, the cage adopts a technical, industrial aesthetic that matches the Insta360 X5 naturally. The open frame structure is both visually appealing and highly functional, maintaining full access to buttons, ports, microphones, ventilation areas, and the removable battery compartment. This practical layout makes long shooting sessions significantly easier since batteries can be swapped quickly without removing the camera from the frame. The metal rabbit cage extended protective frame for Insta360 X5 stands out by adding genuine functionality rather than simply offering basic protection. Its lightweight aluminum construction, unrestricted battery access, reliable locking system, and versatile mounting options make the X5 far more adaptable for real-world shooting scenarios without compromising portability. Combined with excellent machining quality and practical everyday usability, it becomes one of the most well-rounded utility frames currently available for the Insta360 X5.